Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a hidden page on Squarespace step by step. I'll be showing you this on the web version. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the Pages panel. You'll find it in the left-hand sidebar of the editor. The panel opens showing all your current pages organized into sections, main navigation at the top, footer navigation below that, and not linked at the bottom. Next, locate the page you want to hide. Scroll through the navigation list in either main navigation or footer navigation until you find the page by name. If you need to create a new page first, just click the plus icon to add it, then come back to this step, click and hold the page name, then drag it down to the not linked section at the bottom of the Pages panel. You'll see the page move as you drag it. Release it when you're hovering over the not linked section, and it drops in. The page now disappears from your main navigation and footer navigation. It's hidden from your site's menu. Before moving on, hover over the hidden page in the not linked section and you'll see a gear icon appear next to it. Click that gear icon and the page settings modal opens, showing the general tab. Look for the enable page toggle. If it's switched on and showing green, the page is live and accessible via its direct URL. If it's off, no one can access the page even with the direct link. Click Save to confirm. Your page is now hidden from navigation but still accessible if someone has the direct URL. If you need to share that URL with someone, just hover over the page in the not linked section, click the gear icon again, and the URL appears right there in the general tab. Moving a page to not linked doesn't hide it from search engines. If you want to keep it out of Google results, open the page settings again by clicking the gear icon. Then click the SEO tab on the left side. Scroll down until you see the hide page from search results toggle at the bottom. Switch that on so it turns green. This adds a noindex tag to the page. Save your changes, and search engines won't include it in their results. That covers everything you need to hide a page on Squarespace. Thanks for watching.